Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily, nightly, 3:17 in the morning technical analysis video. My beautiful friends, I'm starting up this new sleep schedule. It's called biphasic sleep. So, fun fact before we get into this daily technical analysis, hit that subscribe button for daily technical analysis on Dogelon Mars, by the way. Biphasic sleep. So most of us humanoids sleep in a monophasic sleeping pattern, which means we sleep one time a night. A biphasic sleeping pattern means you sleep numerous times throughout the day. So this is going to be a normal thing, probably, moving forward into the future, these 3:18 a.m. videos, because I got too much crap going on, running this YouTube channel and the other ones. It gets kind of crazy, so I got to switch something up. Let's get straight into the charts, my friends. We have seen some beautiful retracement right back down to these beautiful, beautiful bottom of these green candles here. These 1030 levels. Okay, so what does this mean? This is very bullish, okay? It's a natural retracement, and what the bullish thing about it is not necessarily the red candle that we see right here. Excuse my slowness on the mouse pad. I do not have an actual mouse to use right now, but that's okay. It's not the actual red candle coming back down, okay? The red candle, it could have been a green one, it'd be even more bullish. However, what is bullish is that we came down and showed extreme buying pressure, pushing it higher, back almost up. We're about to break these 11 levels, okay? 11 major supports, okay? Major psychological barrier in the markets. We are about to break it on a retracement of a red candle. It is forming a hammer, which is very, very, very good. All right. Everything is looking pretty beautiful right now, as we are consolidating, making higher lows, and especially consolidating above, semi-below, but soon to be above these previous resistance levels. So it's a great sign at the moment. We just need to watch, and we need to watch very carefully, because if it does come back down these 1030 levels, it will be a critical decision to make. If it breaks through these 1030 levels, we will definitely be heading back down to these 950s, and maybe even back down to these 870s, all right? So that's a good thing if you're holding long term. If you're day trading, that means if it shows back here and you're in a profit right now, first of all, you should have averaged out right at this spike. If you don't know how to do that, shoot, man, I don't know what to tell you. You have one or two options. You can join the Patreon where there's no spots left. I don't actually know. If you're interested, I'm pretty sure all the spots got taken up, but the link is in the description if you want real-time buy and sell alerts so you can sell out at the top as these spike, okay? Now, with the Patreon, we're catching this overall move, this 20x, all right? So, it is an investment into the future, and it will, there's daily updates, so it allows you to understand the price movements. I don't know if there's any spots left, but this is a beautiful thing that's going on, and if you are day trading, you need to watch these charts carefully, because okay, so first of all, you should be in a profit already. You should have sold around 50% of your bags here, okay? As it retraces, comes back down to this natural move, all right? We see this, okay? We see some nice buying pressure on these 0.382s. Now, it does dip a little bit down, but it holds above these 0.5 levels, which is bullish, okay? Now, it's not, I didn't say extremely bullish, and this is why. We have not broken through these 0.382 Fibonacci levels yet. Once we do such a thing, that will be a sign that the buyers are indeed stepping back in, pushing this price higher, and we're making higher lows, and we are looking to break these 0.236 levels today, okay? Within the next 8 around 16 hours. All right, so cool, my friends. If you're day trading and it breaks below this 0.5 level again, you might want to consider just averaging your position out, okay? However, day trading crypto is not the most lucrative form of day trading. Stay tuned for that. I will be going over the most lucrative form to where you can make significant profits within 1 to 2 hours a day, depending on your portfolio size. With a initial portfolio size of $1,000, you can expect a nice $200 to $500 gain in a single day off of a single trade, just like one of these that we see every single day in the market. So, that being said, we are looking very bullish in these overall markets. I don't know what's going on with this chart right now. Okay, we're good. And those of you who've been around for a long time, listen up, all right? I am proud of you, all right? A lot of you guys are reaching out, and a lot of you guys are letting me know, like, how I really appreciate you guys reaching out and letting me know how much help I have been, because that truly makes this worth doing. Like, I started this channel just to track my own trades, but it's become so much more. Like, I genuinely feel like I have an obligation to help you guys make the most amount of money in these markets. And I don't know why, but it's a weird feeling I've never felt before. It's almost like I found a calling or something. But I saw a lot of you guys one of you guys even got in around these 5 levels. I believe my man Jason, it was you. And you said you sold as it spiked up. That's a nice 100% gain, dude. Congratulations. Now, you were early onto the boat. I did issue a Patreon alert around these 6-2 levels because I trade on confirmation. Jason, you got a little bit ahead of the game, man. But hey, this time it paid off, okay? It won't pay off every time. You might be catching a falling knife, as they call it, which means you buy into the red and it just keeps dropping, all right? That's why I trade on confirmation. But Jason, my man, good stuff. That's a 100% gain. For those of you who averaged in with me around these 6-2 levels, not financial advice, simple opinions from a crypto billionaire. I am not a financial advisor, but those of you who did decide on your own time to average into these 6-2 levels, we will be seeing a nice 100% in a couple weeks. So this is just a start also, okay? Don't get greedy. Don't let these emotions take over, especially as we start seeing the market spike. The sentiment's going to go up. Everyone's going to start. Okay, for all of you beautiful people who have stayed to this 8-minute mark, I'm going to tell you a little bit of the behind-the-scenes crypto industry here. Every single time the market drops, no one searches up videos. Now, the OG people who really actually do care will continuously watch these type of videos. But the overall market sentiment is like, oh my God, my investments are down. I don't want to research them. I'm just going to leave it alone, right? This is not how you make money in the markets. You need to know what's going on every single second. Now, if you don't have the time, I completely understand, and that's why I'm here. I make these videos for free. I also have the Patreon if you want real-time notifications. And the course, if you really, really, really are serious and want to just take this into your own hands so you know it for the rest of your freaking life. It's like a lifelong investment type thing. But that being said, the market sentiment and the search results go down extremely in these market lows. So, that being said, that is the best time to be buying. And me being a crypto YouTuber, this is just a side effect that I had no clue was actually even out there. But it's beautiful. It's actually insane, guys. So, what I have noticed, for all of you who stayed this far, you deserve this type of information. What I have noticed ever since I started this YouTube channel, okay, I started it around these levels back here, long time ago, man. I've been posting like 2 times a day. I used to post 2 times a day. Now it's about 1 time a day. I got a bunch of stuff going on, but it plans on going up more in the future. Anyways, back to the point. What I have noticed is you can really, really tell whenever it's a good time to buy just simply based off the views in the comments of YouTube videos. It is insane. Every single time Without a doubt, bro, this has happened every single time. It drops. Boom. 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 Right here. People get so skeptical. The comments, let's say it gets one video gets 50 comments. The comments will be like 7, all right? People do not want to talk, except for you OGs out there. Now, there are a few of you, especially those of you who have hopped on a call with me. You guys are OG. You guys are really, really taking this stuff seriously. And I love you guys. Like, we need to stay close and lifelong friends, okay? Anyways, but the search results go down and the sentiment changes. And with the YouTube channel, you can tell just based off of how much like views the videos are getting if it's a good time to buy. And it's pretty cool, man. It's pretty cool. I did not expect that, but it's a thing, man. So that, honestly, now that you guys know that, it's an upper hand. You have an upper hand, okay? I'm sharing my upper hand with you guys because I'm Crypto Billionaire 69 and I don't hold anything back. I lay it all out on the table. Honesty is everything, my friends. So, that being said, I don't know what else to talk about. I feel like I've covered this pretty well. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a text at 850-376-0889. We can also hop on a call. I just want to get to know you. But I do get a lot of inquiries. So if I take a couple days to respond, not a couple days, probably about 24 hours to respond to your text, it's normal, man. Just send your name and, you know, your goals or how much you're holding. Your name and how much you're holding. That's how you got to text me. And you'll be queued up to talk to Crypto Billionaire 69, baby. All right. Yeah, I think we're all good. Like, the levels we need to watch today, we just need to hold above these. It would be great to break above these 11s, okay? But we are creating a red hammer on these daily candles, which is a very bullish sign. However, we want to see in the most bullish case scenario, us push up higher than these 12/12s. If we can do that, then it completely invalidates this previous resistance, and we will be heading back up to first stop 1377, second stop 17s. All right, we're gonna be there in no time. It's just a matter of time now. But what this really is all pegged on is Bitcoin. We want to see Bitcoin hold above that $45,000 level this week. If it drops below it, so will Dogelon Mars. All of this gets invalidated if Bitcoin cannot hold above that $45,000 level. All right? Very, very, very critical, very important. Crypto Billionaire 69. Join the Patreon if there's any spots left and you're watching at this 1313 mark. I love you. We are going to make a lot of money in these markets, and we have a long way to go. We have not even started yet. The volume is starting to thicken up, which is a great, great sign. And another great sign is look at where the previous volume thickened up at. It thickened up at a drop, okay? So what does that mean? That means we have hit a new floor. All right, sellers are out. Buyers are stepping back in, and this thing is about to absolutely go insane, my friends. Okay? Crypto Billionaire 69. I will catch you guys in the next video. Daily analysis. Every single day. Peace, my beautiful friends.